Leaders, in this video we're going to talk about hair loss and how you can grow your hair back naturally and fast. This video is for you if you've recently noticed that your hair is thinning more than usual. Maybe you started a healing diet, or you started eating more healthy foods, more nutrient dense food, you're detoxing. And it's also for you if you find more hair in the drain, or you notice that your eyebrows are falling out. And now you want to know what you can do that helps you to naturally grow your hair back and at the same time support your body's overall well-being. What we'll be covering in this video are two things. Number one, what causes hair loss really? There's a lot of confusion and usually we are misleaded. So what causes hair loss? And second, 5 things you need to do, 5 essential things to focus on to heal your hair and to get your healthy hair back thick and strong, and also your eyebrows. If this sounds like a good idea, make sure you hit that thumbs up button under the video so I know that this kind of content interests you, it's targeted for you, and I want to create more of that. So do that right now. Click that like button under the video. So let's get started right away. What are the 2 organs, question for you, what are the 2 organs that are involved in unwanted hair loss? What do you think? Think a moment. What do you think? What are usual organs that come into your head? I'm trying to read your mind right now. So usually it's your skin problems, or it's your hormones. Of course, your body's attacking itself, it's autoimmune, or it's your thyroid. Big surprise, none of that. None of them are really causing hair loss as an underlying cause. There are 2 organs that are involved when it comes to hair loss. 2 organs. They are number 1, your liver, and number 2, your adrenal glands. Now, those 2 organs, if you work on healing them and make them strong, it's not only that your hair is going to go back, you're also going to increase your detoxing functions, you're going to boost your immune system, and your overall energy levels will go through the roof, literally. Also, if you're dealing with anxiety or things like that, those 2 organs are the main cause. There are 2 things that damage those organs the most in the body. Number 1 is a virus called Epstein-Barr. Epstein-Barr causes hair loss because of the neurotoxin it excretes, and this has an impact on thinning hair all over your body. Epstein-Barr, cause number 1, that damages the adrenals and your liver, and number 2 are, big surprise, medication. Medications like antibiotics, like thyroid medication, any kinds of hormone therapy, cancer medication, antifungal, painkillers, any other pharmaceutical medication can damage those 2 organs and second level cause hair loss. Now, great Peggy, we know now what are the causes for hair loss. It's your liver and your adrenals in combination with Epstein-Barr and medication residues and toxins. But what can you do? What can you do to naturally grow your hair back and really get this thin hair thick, get your eyebrows back, and be more confident as a woman or as a man with your hair? 5 things to focus on that are essential for getting your hair back. Number 1 is lowering stress in your life in general and helping your nervous system to relax. Why is this so important? Because we're going to help your adrenals to get their strength back, and the stress hormones, cortisol and adrenaline, are usually the ones that cause hair loss in the first place. One simple thing that I'm doing with my Gut Feeler Academy members as well, and that got good results with hair loss, with growing hair back and also helping the nervous system relax and lowering stress levels, is a technique called tapping. It's super simple, but you gotta do it. Just looking at me doing it is not enough. So doing that at least for 7 days to see the effect on your nervous system is important. The way to do is you just cross your arms like this, and then you do tapping. Tapping helps the nervous system to relax and balance your nervous response and also the hormones adrenaline and cortisol. So all you do is you relax your shoulders, and then you do 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do this for 50 times. You relax your breath, and then you stop and you feel into your body how your body feels right now. Maybe you had anxiety before, maybe you felt just like agitated, or you felt in a mood that was very low. So do that 50 times, then tune into your body, see if you feel different, and then do another round of 50 times. Do the same, check in with your body, And then one more. So you do 3 rounds of 50 each, 50 each, and then tune into your body and see how you feel. Number 2, this is super, super essential, not just for hair loss, but for your overall energy levels and to help deliver big time so you can get your hair back. And that is restoring the glycogen storage, the glycogen levels in your liver. Glycogen is a storage form of glucose, and which helps to buffer any kind of stress reactions. Also, when your blood sugar levels are low, then usually the glycogen levels in your liver help to balance the blood sugar levels so you have energy throughout the day. Unfortunately, most of us have low glycogen levels because our liver is so damaged and overburdened and loaded with toxins and stressed. So you want to make sure that you have enough healthy glucose. Fruits are essential for getting your hair back. Essential. The second most important thing is that you have low fat in your diet. You don't eat nuts and seeds and high animal protein and things like that. Anything greasy, not oils, will not help you, because when you have fat in your bloodstream, then the healthy glucose can't get into the cell, and you're actually stressing your pancreas a lot to produce more and more insulin, so you're moving towards diabetes 2. This is the main cause for diabetes 2, by the way, is not that you eat too much sugar, it's you eat too much fat and you don't eat the right nutritions and the right sugar. So I'm not talking about high fructose corn syrup, I'm talking about the real thing, fruits. Healthy fruits, best organic, is what you need to restore your glycogen levels, and at the same time eat low fat, most important. If not, you're going to put burden on your liver, on your bloodstream, on your heart, and on your digestive system. And you're also going to make your blood sugar levels spike, because the insulin can't help to get the glucose into the cells where they are needed because there's too much fat in your bloodstream. Okay, so number 2, remember, you want to restore the glycogen levels in your liver by eating fruit and low fat. Number 3, what you need to do to get your hair health back is barley grass juice powder. Looks like this. You want to have 1 tablespoon, like that, every day. Mix that in water, drink it. It's just like a green juice because it's barley grass juice powder. I link you down below my favorite barley grass juice powder, which is organic, and it's actually very, very affordable. Why you need that is because it helps restore your electrolytes, is very alkalizing for your body, and has a ton of amino acids. So make sure you get that one. Helps also the adrenals to function better and the liver to heal. Barley grass juice powder, that's my tip for you, tip number 3. If you're watching this right now and you start questions coming up, it's awesome. Put them under the video, and when you post those questions under the video, make sure you turn this bell on, this notification bell on, and turn it on to all notifications. This way you're going to be notified when I'm releasing another video that can help you to get your hair health back and heal your overall well-being, your overall body in general. So make sure you do that now. Turn that notification bell on and leave a comment with your questions all about hair loss and hair health. Number 4 for getting your hair health back is having adrenal snacks minimum every 2 hours of your waking time. This is important so your adrenals get not stressed and go back into the fight and flight response and flush your body with adrenaline and cortisol. It's really, really, really important while you're recovering your adrenal health and your liver glycogen levels. You have those adrenal snacks. Adrenal snacks mean there's no fat. It's not nuts. It's not protein powder. It's no other fats. It's a piece of vegetable and a piece of fruit to get the minerals and electrolytes and to get the healthy glucose. Perfect combination. So for example, celery stick and half an apple, or a piece of cucumber, which is a fruit, but it also has a lot of minerals, and half a pear. This is a good combination. So 1 veggie and 1 piece of fruit. That's a good combination minimum every 2 hours, so your body can actually help your adrenals to heal and also restoring your liver health. Last but not least, number 5, going to give you 3 essential supplements, and those are minerals and vitamins that you need to recover your nerve strength, so the adrenals don't fire and produce more stress hormones, and so you can also get your hair health back, and they also help your liver, and they fight pathogens. Number one, it's nothing new if you watched this channel before. I'm not recommending hundreds of supplements. There are a few essential which help you with almost everything. Best antiviral defense, supports your immune system. Antiviral liver healing is liquid zinc sulfate from Good State. Needs to be this one, needs to be liquid, needs to be zinc sulfate, and there can't be alcohol or anything else in there. You see other ingredients, water. This is what you want to get. All of that is down below, and you can also find it in my shop. Next one, really, really important for your nervous system, guys. So important. I can't stress that enough. And for being able to absorb nutrients better, help the liver heal, help the adrenals, help to focus better is B12. Liquid form of B12 containing adenosine and methylcobalamin. This is super, super important to get the best coverage for your nervous system. And again, this is a brand I love so much, so I partnered with them, so you can get a 10% discount on anything you order, so you can get that for 10% off. And last but not least, this is for women specifically, but also men are often iron deficient. Iron fusion is a natural supplement made out of curry leaf, and there's some echinacea and some thyme leaves as well in there, which helps to restore your iron levels, which are super, super important for your liver, and will, in the long term, have an effect on strong and healthy hair. Let's do this together. Now, if you want to learn more about your body and what all those symptoms really mean, I've created a quiz that can help you to understand how you can best support your body to heal. It's 7 questions in 7 minutes, and it can help you a lot to feel less lost and get more answers to what your body is telling you, to understand his hidden message. I link that down below. Start the quiz now and get some answers to help you along your healing journey.